Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy and today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate meat sauce, guys. Yes, as you can see, we have some pasta sitting here, all lonely and stuff. And I'm going to show you, like I said, how to make the ultimate meat sauce, guys, to spruce this pasta up even more. Alrighty, guys, let's introduce these ingredients and get started. To my right, guys, which is your left, we have, let's see, some smoked paprika as well as Montreal chicken seasoning. Onion powder, ground black pepper, garlic powder, some dried parsley, and hiding out some adobo, as well as some oil, pasta sauce, and we have about a pound, guys, of ground turkey. Yes, we do. And we also have, let's see, some diced onions, chopped cilantro, as well as some diced tomatoes. Now, however, if you can't find, let's say, ground turkey, or your preference is a little different, and you want to use, let's say, ground pork, ground chicken, or even beef, hey, no problem. You could also use the Montreal chicken seasoning, or you can substitute it with steak seasoning. It's totally up to you. So to this pan, guys, which is hot, and I feel the heat coming off of it, we are going to add some oil, guys. Yes, we're going to add the oil. Yes, we are. We are also going to add our diced onions. And we are going to give it a good mix, guys. We're going to saute these onions. I also forgot to mention, guys, some garlic. Yes. Who doesn't like garlic? Garlic is going to make our meat sauce taste absolutely delicious. I have so much going on right here. I know you guys are accustomed to seeing me with the ramekins and a little measuring cups and stuff. But for this particular recipe, the reason why I didn't pull out all those gadgets and cups and stuff is because this is all going to be based on using our discretion, guys. Just basically using our discretion. Add that garlic up in there. Add as much as you like and take out what you don't prefer, and so on and so forth. Just give everything a good mix, and we're going to saute these onions along with the garlic. Yep. Quick and easy recipe, guys. Listen, especially in this time right now, things are a bit hectic, things are scarce, so gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta stretch it out, right? Gotta find ways to make things work. Over here, as I said, I only have like a pound of, this is only 1 pound, and it's not that much, right? Considering the amount of pasta that's there. But watch, once I'm done, you're gonna be like, wow, I can't believe all of that little bit of meat turned out to be so much. Also, if you wanna stretch it even more, and you have, let's say, maybe kielbasa sausage or any type of sausage, basically. You could cut it up, saute the sausage, and add it to the meat sauce as well. And that stretches it out pretty well. Also, all right, everything is nice and smelling really nice and fragrant. So what we are going to do is we are going to add our meat. Add it to the pan. Chop it up, chop it up. And we're going to incorporate the onions with the meat. With the meat. Alrighty, guys, I think it's fair enough to say it's time for us to start adding some seasonings. So what we are going to do is I am going to add some garlic powder based on my discretion. It's not don't add too much, don't add too little bit, just add enough. Take your time. Don't go with the, if you, for instance, if you're using like one of these type of spouts with the, you know, the big part, if I were you, just open the little part first and just sprinkle on accordingly if you're not sure about measurements. All right, we got the garlic powder. We're gonna add the onion powder. Make sure it has good flavor. Add it, as well as some smoked paprika. Gonna add it. I love paprika in my meat sauce. It tastes so good. And we are also going to add a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit, not too much. And I am gonna add my Montreal chicken seasoning. However, you guys can add steak seasoning, like I said, if you're using beef or anything else. And we are going to add our adobo. I'm not adding salt because I'm using adobo. You don't, it's one or the other. You don't need both. And I think we've added everything so far. I'm just going to give everything a good mix once again. Make sure the seasoning is incorporated with all of the meat, as well as the onions and the garlic. And I'm telling you guys, the smell is absolutely amazing. Give it a good mix. Cooking is so easy, guys. It's all about adding that flavor. And let me tell you something, a good meal could actually change your whole perception of how you're feeling about a particular situation, if that makes sense. You might be feeling gloomy because of what's going on and so on and so forth, but if you're able to put a good meal on the table using basic ingredients, nothing expensive, nothing costly, it's gonna just like literally change your whole mindset. All right, everything is incorporated really well. Add your favorite brand of pasta sauce. Add it, not too much. Really? Did I mess up my shirt, guys? I hope not. All right, yes. Everything is starting to come together nicely. Everything is coming together lovely, I tell ya. Yes, guys. Alrighty, now that our sauce has been added, we are also gonna add our diced tomatoes. Give it a nice color contrast. Also, it's also good, a lot of alsos, right? It's also good to add those veggies. If you have red peppers, or bell peppers is what I should say, it doesn't matter what color, dice those bad boys up, add it to your sauce. We gotta stretch it out, guys. Gotta stretch it out. Especially when you go to the store and they're telling you that you're only able to buy a certain quantity, a limited amount. You got to take it home and figure it out. If not, you be shopping all day. We're going to add our cilantro. If you have fresh parsley, you can add fresh parsley as well. But I am a cilantro fanatic. I love my cilantro. We're going to mix it up, incorporate it really well. And last but not least, guys, I don't know about you, but I do not like heartburn, especially when it's time to go to bed. Hate it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little sugar. Like I told you guys before, my grandmother taught me this trick. Add a little sugar and it's gonna counteract with the acidity. It's gonna neutralize the acidity and prevent the tomatoes from being too acid, because you don't want heartburn. So I'm gonna add a little sugar. It's not gonna make the sauce taste sweet because I'm not adding a ton of sugar. I'm just adding pretty much a pinch of sugar. I can stop here, of course, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover it down, lower the flame just a bit, right, to low medium, cover it down with the, obviously with the cover, with the lid, and allow it to let the seasonings and everything and the sauce and everything marinate for about 5 minutes, because I want everything to be like really, really absolutely delicious, you know, to go with our pasta. So yeah, I'm gonna cover it down with the lid and just allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes on a low heat, guys. Yes. So I'll be right back and I'll show you what the finishing product looked like, guys. I'm gonna spoon it on out. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Right onto our pasta, and look at how much sauce we have, by the way. Beautiful. Talk about stretching a meal out, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We started off with just 1 pound of meat, and as you can see, I not only have leftovers in the pan, but it was more than enough to accommodate 1 pack of pasta. We are back. Yes, absolutely beautiful, right, guys? Our meat sauce on top of our pasta looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to dig in and give it a try. My mouth is salivating, guys. Even though I make it all the time, I'm like starving, to be honest with you. I gotta go in again, honestly. Wow, absolutely delicious. All of the flavors, absolutely delicious, guys. Wow. Everything that we added in that last 5 minutes of simmering definitely integrated all of the ingredients together. It makes it taste even better, guys. Wow. If you could let it sit for at least 5-10 minutes, yeah, you're gonna really taste the difference. We could taste everything, guys. Even though I added that sugar, you can't taste the sugar. I mean, everything just tastes so complimentary. You have the little crunch from the veggies that we added, which is the tomatoes as well as the cilantro and so on and so forth. Not to mention the sauteed onions, giving it flavor. We got that garlic in there and all of the other seasonings and everything. Nothing is overpowering. It's not salty, none of that stuff. Absolutely delicious. And what I love about this recipe, first and foremost, is the fact that it's very cost efficient. It takes no time to prepare, and it could definitely feed a family of so many. I still have meat sauce left over, to be honest. So yeah, guys, definitely give this recipe a try. Cooking with Tammy.recipes, and yep, feed your loved ones. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.